following up on my own advice. Can't really tell, but if you look at the front end closely, the tires are just a little off. And the tread is starting to show it on the inside. So I'm once again back at what's becoming my favorite tire shop, and hopefully they can do an alignment on it. I wonder how much this will cost, and if they could do it. So there we are, a touch after 11. My truck is gone. Not in any of the bays. I just did a complete walk around the shop. Maybe they took it for a test drive? Maybe aliens took it for a sample of civilization? Oh no! Panic averted. They took it for a little test drive. Here it is in the shop. Now we just wait for it to come out and the bill. While we're waiting, how about a 1 minute of random traffic at this intersection? And as you can see, we got a lot of activity here. So currently a red light. We've got GMC Sierra turning the corner, Toyota RAV4, there's a Ram going by. I think that's an Equinox or a Blazer. There's so much stuff to try and keep track of here. And that tree really doesn't help, but can't be too picky on the area here. Something loud's about to go by. Oh, a Civic with a interesting exhaust. A dump truck with a covered load. Oh, and the MX-5 did not make the light. What else we got going on here? That's kind of a cool shade of green. A Range Rover, a purple Tacoma, all kinds of good stuff. And that's 1 minute, random traffic. So, while I was waiting for the wheel alignment to get done, I got a quote. And it comes to $18.30 and 1 penny for a set of Toyo Open Country. They claim to be all-weather tires, but yeah, not bad, not bad. Not sure what the warranty is, but so far, yeah, about $2,000 for new tires. The part I really did not want to know about, replace both front quick struts, replace lower control arms, ball joints, and sway bar links. So that's upper and lowers, pretty much both sides. And their bill comes to just about $3,500. So yeah, no wheel alignment done. And apparently the front end is wore right out. And that only cost me $100 to find out. How much do I love this truck? Stay tuned. This story will continue.